Hi, congratulations on your engagement. Now it's time to plan your wedding, one of the magic moments of your life. And you want a day that's as special as the occasion. But what do you do? Well, the bad news is the average wedding is, well, really average. You've probably noticed yourself that pretty well every wedding is basically the same thing. But the good news is that I'll work with you personally to design a wedding that'll be the envy of your friends, a wedding that you'll be proud of. Now, within the standard wedding, I've identified many opportunities to personalize your day with memorable moments that your guests are going to talk about for years. These techniques are the single most important factor in creating a world-class wedding. Every wedding has food and music. It takes a lot more to make a really cool impression. So we'll start by pinpointing your vision of the perfect wedding and do our part to make that a reality. Everybody waits until the dancing to start the entertainment. Now, we think that's a mistake. At a Creative DJ Services wedding, the fun starts with the grand entrance, continues through the cocktails, dinner, and right into the dancing. You'll have more fun during dinner than most weddings have all night. Now, best of all, this service comes at no extra cost, making us the best value in the business. Most of our DJs have more than 20 years of professional experience hosting weddings. In fact, we're so exclusive that we choose to work with a limited number of clients because we believe that quality always trumps quantity. Being sticklers for detail, we plan every element of your wedding well in advance, so we leave absolutely nothing to chance. And we're a total no-hassle company. We'll answer any questions you may have and then let you go and think about it at your leisure. So give us a call. Let's get together and I'll fill you in on all the details, no strings attached. We're Creative DJ Services, and we're more than just music.